Welcome back to Let's Bridge the Gap. Think you know the world's most iconic landmarks? Put your knowledge to the test with this close-up picture quiz. From ancient wonders to modern marvels, this quiz will challenge your observation skills and world knowledge. Each question shows you a zoomed-in, tricky detail of a famous landmark. Guess which one it belongs to before the answer is revealed. Don't forget to comment your score below. Think you've seen this one before? Let's find out. Trevi Fountain, Italy. Another iconic landmark. But can you recognize it from this angle? Tower Bridge, United Kingdom. Don't blink, this one's tricky. Potala Palace, Tibet. If that last one stumped you, try this one. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Let's see how sharp your eyes really are. Niagara Falls, Canada. Travel lovers, this one's for you. Guess this landmark. Florence Cathedral, Milan, Italy. Ready to prove your geography skills again? Here we go. Halong Bay, Vietnam. Let's test your travel brain again. Royal Grand Palace, Thailand. Another image, another challenge, go for it. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. From a tiny detail to a towering icon. Can you guess what this is? Brandenburg Gate, Germany. And that wraps up our landmark close-up picture quiz. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat you. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and gobble up more fun videos on our channel.